Guys, so after 1 year of update for our container, maganda pa rin siya tignan. Wala pa rin siyang kalawang. Then, yung kalawang lang niya is from the mounted TV before na tinanggal na namin. Kasi hindi naman yan stainless. That's why may konti siyang kalawang sa bolts. But overall, yung integrity niya is good on the side part. So in total, it's almost 5 years na itong container ng Smart House sa amin. Then we made modifications. Nilagyan namin siya ng top na extension and also side extension na metal works lang. Then kinabitan namin siya ng cement na extension sa likod for bathroom and kitchen. Then sa taas, nag-add kami ng steel na extension and also third floor. So ito yung view. Kaya nag-third floor kami. Ito yung Mount Talomo, which is katabi ng Mount Apo. Though mataas yung Mount Apo, but larger yung Mount Talomo na range because madami siyang set of mountains. So para magamit namin yung taas ng container, nag-add kami ng large na C-channel. Ginawa namin siya ng parang poste. Nilagyan ng footing, kinabit sa footing. Then may tatlo siya na C-channel bars na yung makakapal. And also sa kabila, another set ng C-channel bars. So in total, parang meron ng 2 container na magkatabi. So yung materials na ginamit namin for the extension of this container-like na metalworks is GRC board, yung kapalit ng Hardiflex. Then yung flooring niya is 2x4 and 2x6 para hindi siya maingay kung tapakan mo. And yung flooring niya is linoleic board. And ayun, so double walled na GRC board, tapos window glass. Then sa taas, in progress pa. Skeleton lang muna. Kaya ayan yung itsura niya ngayon. So ito yung foundation niya. Gumawa kami ng bagong footing. May 3 additional footing siya. Then welding na lang. Yung sa baba is may footing din yun, pero may nakatambak na lupa and malalaking bato sa ilalim. So para siyang talaga, solid foundation. So ayun, ito gamit namin 2x6 na square tube na 1.5, then straight na lang. Ayun. So ayun, okay na siya na extension. Ready ka dapat sa pikas?
Hello.
You're here, upstairs. Look, full na LZ. Cold Wednesday. So ito yung itsura ng second floor namin. Temporary pa siya, under construction. So ito yung ginamit namin na sahig, linoleic board, phenolic board. Then malakas kasi ang ulan at hangin dito sa second floor kasi nasa bundok kami. Kaya kailangan talaga lagyan ng pangtapal sa ulan kasi nasa side yung direction. Yeah. Pina-remove ko yung roof niya kasi makapal naman yung roof ng container. Magagamit ko pa siya. Kaya gagawin ko naman siyang sahig. So tinanggal ko na lang yung roof niya. para i-repurpose. Tapos ito yung itsura ng ceiling nung container. So, yan yung ilaw niya, which is ang dali mapunde, LED na ilaw. Yan. So, ito yung itsura ng loob ng ceiling ng smart house na luxury type container nila. So, yung sa gilid, makikita nyo, yan yung parang alulod ba yung tawag dyan? Yung saan yung tubig dumadaan. So, dyan nagko-collect, then papunta sa gilid na drain.
Gilid.
Look, you'll see up na. Tell Lola, you go upstairs. Lola did not go here. Wow. Do you want to see the mountain?
Wow.
Wow.
Dago.
So big. Whoa. Mountain so big. Oh?
Hi.
Mountain so big.
Hi.
Hi. Big mountain, is it?
So high.
Hi.
So high.
What?
Or diri ka. Straight. So, ito yung third floor ng extension ng bahay. Linoleic board pa rin yung gamit niya. And light materials lang kasi nasa third floor naman kami. Yeah. So, ito yung view niya. Mount Talomo.
Badminton.
Makikita talaga siya kasi maulan. Pero kung hindi maulan, ang daming clouds. Don't go down. Yung
Wow.
Say
Don't-
bye.
Bye.
stop. Oy, don't go down.
Mom, daddy first. Bye-bye.
Oh.
Say bye-bye. Look at mom. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. Look at the phone, baby. Look at the phone.
Careful, please. Let's watch the mountain.
When
Oh,